welcome to my new office. I will welcome you. I remember I have a hair shop. I have a hair shop in the market. Sometimes I will stay in the hair shop, but sometimes I will stay in the office. So if you want to visit me, I definitely will lead you here and we discuss the hair business. I like it very much. Although not many customers can offer this type of hair, but I like it very much for personal use. Of course, this is another type that you cannot miss it. This one. The loose tip, this one loose tip. This one. Of course, we have different texture, lace closure and lace frontal. This one, deep wave. The hair material, the cost of the hair material actually is almost the same in the market. It just depends how you are going to do the hair business with your hair vendor, how they can arrange the hair for you, and how they can keep the hair quality consistent for a long time. So you need to build very good relationship with your hair vendor to make sure your hair business is very successful. Yes, this the body wave. Every day I receive so many emails from different companies, which who they are not doing the hair business, but they want to cooperate with me. They want me to advertise some products for them. Although I don't have much time, I am open to any hair business, any business. I am open to any business opportunities. If any products company want to cooperate with me, but you need to drop a message to my phone. Don't send to email because I seldom check the email. Remember WhatsApp, iMessage, or WeChat. And I told my friends that I have a very big connection in China for different products, including my relatives and my family. They are doing different business, different products like handbags, like kitchenware, different. But I just find time to export the products for them. But every day, the ladies, they keep messaging me every day for the hair.